Are you trying to use Face ID while wearing a mask along with glass on your iPhone? Since the COVID-19 pandemic, many iPhone users have encountered issues with Face ID when wearing a mask. This guide will show you how to set it up and use it effectively. Before you start, ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 15.4 or later. Enable Face ID with a mask. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Face ID and passcode. First, set your Face ID from here. After that, you'll get this. Use Face ID with the mask section, toggle the switch on. After this, your Face ID will be active with glass and mask on iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to use Face ID while wearing a mask on your iPhone. This feature is especially helpful for users who need to quickly unlock their iPhones while out and about, while still adhering to mask wearing guidelines. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.